Have you ever been in a crowded room and suddenly heard your name mentioned across the way? In that moment, you probably did something very natural without even thinking about it. You focused your attention. In English, we call this pricking up your ears. It is a fantastic idiom that helps you describe being alert. Understanding this phrase will help you follow natural conversations much better. Let's dive in and master it together. Meet Sarah and Tom. Sarah just told Tom, "I really pricked up my ears when I heard about the office party." Tom looked horrified. He asked, "Oh no, Sarah. Are you okay? Do you need a bandage? Did it hurt?" Sarah started laughing. Tom thought she literally poked her ears with something sharp like a needle. Of course, Sarah didn't hurt herself. Prick up your ears is a figurative expression. It means to listen carefully. The origin comes from animals, like dogs or horses. When they hear a sound, their ears physically move up. While humans can't move their ears like that, we use the phrase to show we are suddenly paying very close attention. Now, let's see it used correctly. Imagine you are at work and you hear the boss whispering about a promotion. You would prick up your ears to catch every single word. You are listening because the information is important. You use this when something interesting, surprising, or secret catches your attention and you want to hear more. Example 1. The children pricked up their ears when they heard the word ice cream. They really wanted some. Example 2. I pricked up my ears when the news mentioned my hometown. I wanted to hear the local news. Example 3. She pricked up her ears at the mention of her ex-boyfriend. She was curious about what was said. To remember this, think of a friendly dog. When you say treat, its ears go up instantly. That is the feeling. Imagine your own ears perking up like that whenever you hear something exciting. Alert equals ears up. Fun fact, this idiom has been used for centuries. It originally referred to hunting dogs tracking prey. Horses also do this to hear where sounds are coming from. It's a survival skill in the animal kingdom. Culturally, it shows that being attentive is valued. It's a polite way to say someone is very interested. You might find this in classic literature or detective movies when someone is trying to overhear a secret. Similar sayings include "I'm all ears," "listen up," or "tune in." They all mean paying close attention. The opposites are turn a deaf ear, fall on deaf ears, or simply tune out when you don't listen. Related ear idioms are keep an ear to the ground, play it by ear, or in one ear and out the other. A common mistake is using it in the singular. We almost always say ears with an S at the end. Also, don't use it for boring things. You only prick up your ears for something surprising or important. My best tip, only use this when there is a sense of surprise or a hidden secret being revealed. To recap, prick up your ears means to listen intently, just like an alert dog hearing a sound. Using this idiom will make your English sound much more natural and expressive in daily conversations. Now it's your turn. Have you ever pricked up your ears? Share your stories with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.